In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your background from your logo here in Canva. Now, depending on how you had your logo created, you might have outsourced it, but you might have a solid colour as your background. And you might want it removed because once it's removed, this allows us to have any type of colour as the background, just like this. Now, to do this in Canva is very simple. We are going to be using Canva Pro features, which is background remover and the transparency download. Now, if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, there will be a link down in the description. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you decide to purchase after the 30 days, I will make a small commission. Now, let's go ahead and do this because this is really simple. Right here, I have my logo. This is the logo with the solid colour. So let's just change the background so we can see that. Now, to remove the background, we want to click on your image. In this case is your logo. Come up to Edit Image just here, and then we want to use the background remover. Now, once that's done, we can see it's removed the background. Now, if you're on the newer version of Canva, which is just here, the background remover looks the same. If you click that, it's going to remove that as well. Now, to download this as a transparent background, we want to come up to where it says share, come down to download, and then we want to make sure that this box is clicked. Now, again, this is another pro feature, and to know if a feature is a pro feature, it will then have a crown next to it. Now, once we've enabled that, we can go to choose the page which we want to download. For this example, it is page number 4 down here. So we click on there, click done, and then we click download. Now, once this is downloaded, we can take this and upload it into Canva. And now, if we delete that one, we have our image, our logo, now with a transparent background, as you can see just here. And now this is going to enable us to choose any color background that we like. So that's how to remove your background from your logo here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.